A tire service technician plays a crucial role at Cooperative Elevator by ensuring the efficient and safe operation of vehicles and machinery. This position assists in the servicing and selling of tires and all other petroleum-related products. Tire service technicians are responsible for the upkeep of tires on various agricultural equipment and standard passenger vehicles. They inspect, repair, and replace tires on tractors, combines, trucks, and other vehicles. Employees assist with billing customers and managing inventory. In addition, they ensure proper tire pressure to optimize vehicle performance and minimize wear, as well as perform tire rotations and balancing to extend tire lifespan. Employees perform routine inspections and maintenance of fuel storage tanks and dispensing systems at our gas stations. They monitor and maintain fuel inventory levels. They do oil changes on passenger vehicles. Applicants should possess a high school diploma. Technical training or certification in tire maintenance is preferred. The ability to lift heavy objects and work in varying weather conditions is important. A valid driver's license is required. They also need a willingness to work flexible hours, including weekends during the busy season. Joining the co-op team as a tire service technician offers the opportunity to contribute to the success of our agricultural operations by ensuring the reliability and safety of vehicles and equipment. If you have the required skills and passion for agriculture and the tire industry, we welcome your application. The Co-op Elevator Company is a farmer-owned agricultural cooperative located in the Thumb of Michigan. For over 100 years, Co-op Elevator has served as an employer of choice and provided opportunities for career growth and advancement to our team members. In unity, there is strength.